Good day, folks, and welcome back to the Wobbly Wanderer. Today we are somewhere in the Fraser Valley, and we're in a place that I like to call the land before time because it is pretty freaking spectacular. So we're actually at the end of our trip. We're heading back to our truck now, but obviously I'll play the rest for you in the correct time sequence. But yeah, follow along. This place is phenomenal. Check it out. The rain is picking up, and those clouds behind us are nasty, nasty, nasty gray. But thankfully, we're pretty close to the truck, so we're getting back just in time. And as always, thank you so much for watching the Wobbly Wanderer. Till next time, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below if you have any idea where this is. I'll give you a hint. Stave Lake is to the west, Harrison Lake is to the east. Till next time.